this is the best template, and this is one of those situations where I'm like, should you give this away? Like people are like, you're giving away the secret sauce. And I guess so be it, because this is so useful. So we created this yesterday. It was a friend of mine working with a native Finnish speaker, and we created this from scratch. So when we began, it was a blank spreadsheet, and we've got 5 columns. Okay, topic, statement, yes, no question, open-ended question, and useful expressions. And so this is Finnish, and you may or may not specifically be interested in learning Finnish, but as you can see in other videos, this works for all languages, and it truly works for all languages, and it's the fastest way to begin conversing in the language. And so the way it started was there were some posters in the background that had bands and then some like video game stuff. Okay. And so we just said, all right, you know what? Let's just start talking about bands and games as our topic. So the idea is you feed a topic into the first column. And it can be any topic at all. There's no rule that says, oh, you're a beginner in such and such language, so you can't talk about AI, or like you have to only talk about this. Another thing we didn't do is we didn't start with the alphabet, and we didn't start with grammar. That was like the tendency to think, oh, well, you're a beginner, so you have to begin at the beginning. This is the beginning. Conversation is the beginning. We think you have to learn language so you can speak it. I'm saying you learn language by speaking it. The patterns become very clear. We highlight certain things. So I'm going to run through it just to show you how much Finnish can be spoken and conversed in right away. So the band, so my Pink Floyd, Led Zeppelin, sta has this little ending. Okay, so Pidän means I like, and if you like My Chemical Romance, which is a band, you go Pidän My Chemical Romance sta. Pidän Pink Floyd sta. Pidän Led Zeppelin sta. If you don't like such and such band, you say en pida. So you drop the n and bring it over n. So en pida Chemical Romance. En pida Pink Floyd sta. Okay. Second column, yes, no, form of a question. Pidatka. They told me I would have said pidatko, but I guess it's pidatka. I'm asking you now, pidatka My Chemical Romance sta? Pidatka Pink Floyd sta? And if so, then say yes, I like, which is kula, pidan. All right. So at that point, we just started. We stopped looking at this and was just like, hey, pidatka My Chemical Romance sta? Pidatka Pink Floyd sta? Open-ended question is, what bands do you like? P dot is still there. The ko is a yes-no part. So P dot is the part. Pidan is I, P dot is you like. So mista bandesta P dot. What bands do you like? Mista bandesta P dot. And you say, Pidan My Chemical Romance sta, Pidan Pink Floyd sta, Pidan Led Zeppelin sta. Really? Ihanko tota? And you say, kula, Pidan. Okay. So, someone said, I don't know that band. They said, En Tieda Bandia. All right, but I know that band. Do you know that band? Tiedatka. Do you know this band? And then for some reason it became Pink Floydin. That's like the case ending for that for some reason. So Tiedatka Pink Floydin. And you say, yeah, of course, kula Tiedan Pink Floydin. Moved into games. It's a random statement, but it's a true statement, so it's a good statement. It was, my wife plays Nintendo. They said, vai moni pela Nintendoa. Your wife plays Nintendo. Sinun vai mosi pela Nintendoa. And they said, kula, pela. Yeah, she does, right? Do you play Nintendo? See the T? Pelatko, without the, they call it Scandinavian letters. Pelatko Nintendoa. And if so, you say, kula. Pelan. Right? What games do you play? Mita peleya. Mita peleya pelat. And you say Pelan Nintendoa. Pelan Minecraftia. All right. Saya, which is a name, said that she doesn't like games. Okay, this is what came next, right? And these were native speakers, so someone was able to say that, not us. But so she said she doesn't like games. Saya sanoi. Ete han. Ete is the no. So the han should not be no. I like no's to be. So it's built in here somehow. Ete, that she doesn't. Ete han pida pelesta. Oh, did Saya say she doesn't like games? Sanoiko? Sanoi. Ko is the yes no. Sanoiko Saya ete pila pelesta? And you say, yeah, kola. Saya sanoi ete han pila pelesta. Right? I have not played Minecraft. We said, en ole pelanut Minecraftia. A couple more details. They told us you can say liking is like another way to say it. Ti katka Minecrafta. I haven't played Minecraft. En ole pelanut Minecraftia. Right? You haven't played Minecraft? Et ole pelanut Minecraftia? And I go, yeah, A. Or maybe, yeah, A is no. No, A. En ole pelanut Minecraftia. Right? It's just using the verb starting points, not even memorizing right now, not going, oh, we conjugate everything, just trying to get the feel for how to go back and forth, try to look away, try to ask someone, oh, have you ever played Minecraft, right? Or you never played? Have you played Oletko? Oletko's have you? Pelanut Minecraftia, and either yes or no. Yes, I have played Minecraft, or no, I have not played Minecraft. If you have, then say Kola Olen Pelanut Minecraftia, or A. En Ole Pelanut Minecraftia. Okay? What is this? My sons play video games. Poikani pelavat video peleya. Do your sons play Minecraft? Pelavat ko poikasi Minecraftia, right? Starts to get a little out of control here. I'm like, oh, what's the conjugation? At some point, I will kind of want to break down the full conjugation and everything, but just we were just rolling with it. So pelavat ko poikasi, and I'll say no. My kids do not play Minecraft. A poikani, my kids. Evat pela Minecraftia. My kids don't play video games, which isn't actually true, but poikani evat pela video pelea. Okay. The big takeaway for me was that, well, first of all, it's how much did I actually memorize, and the way I would prove to myself, or like the way I can know that I've learned it, is if that native speaker of Finnish comes and asks me these questions, like wait an hour and then come back and say, do you know Led Zeppelin? Do you like Led Zeppelin? Have you ever played Minecraft? And if I can kind of shoot from the hip, so to speak, and go, yeah, blah, 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 take some mental effort, I might need to practice. But the point is practice writing. But the point is that I'm a short step away. I've already had the conversation, So I figure I'm going to just use the grid like a piano. Like I can just go here, I'll print this out, I'll take it with me, and continue to have conversation sort of mechanically, just like pushing the buttons, like and I'll do that until I get to the point where it's just, I might as well just memorize it. Like instead of trying to memorize it, you realize, okay, well, I'm saying these things, I'm having these conversations. At some point, your brain just says, all right, you know what? Make it easier on yourself. Just memorize it. Okay. So that's that 5-column deal. And you start with a topic, make a statement, yes, no, open-ended, useful expressions, and you're having instant conversation.